Most of us pay every month for cloud storage. Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox, $7 here, $10 there, and we don't really question it because our photos, files, and memories feel trapped. But there is an alternative that doesn't mean giving everything up. It's called Nextcloud. Nextcloud is basically your own Google Drive. You can store files, sync across devices, share folders and links, and back up photos. The difference is simple but important. You own it. Instead of renting space from a company, Nextcloud runs on hardware or hosting you control. Here's the easiest way to think about it. Instead of your files living on Google servers, they now live on your server, at home, with a privacy-focused host. Your phone, laptop, and computer can sync to that. No ads, no data mining, no "you're out of space" pop-ups. Let's talk about money. Cloud storage is usually $8 to $15 a month. That's $100 to $180 every year, forever. With Nextcloud, many people use a small server or an old computer, or even a one-time hardware cost. Over a few years, it's often hundreds of dollars cheaper, and you stop paying for rent on your own files. This isn't about convenience at all cost. Nextcloud trades a little simplicity for ownership, privacy, and long-term savings. You don't have to switch today, but it's worth knowing renting your storage isn't the only option.